The word Lepcha is considered to be the anglicized version of the Nepalese word Lepcha, meaning vile speaker or inarticulate speech. The reproduction of human in the tribe of Lepcha in India. Lepcha is a member of people of Sikkim. Lepcha is a tribe of Himalayan range, live at the northeast corner of India. They largely resides of Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Bhutan, Sikkim, and Darjeeling. They have also migrated in other northeastern states for economic reasons. The tribe claims to have its origin in the Yang, the land of hidden paradise. The Lepchas are characterized by Mongoloid morphological features. Lepcha is the oldest and the first tribe reported from Sikkim, India. Majority of its population inhabiting in Jongo Valley. Lepcha are also called the Rongkop, meaning the children of God in the Rong Motansi, Rongkop Romkop. Beloved children of the Rong, of the God, in the Rongpa, what we call Sikkimis, are among the indigenous peoples of Sikkim, India, and Nepal. Many Lepcha are also found in western and southern Bhutan, Tibet, Darjeeling, the Mechi zone of western Nepal, and in the hills of West Bengal. Lepchas live in rearing large number of cattle and milch cows besides cultivation of agricultural and horticulture crops. Originally, Lepchas were the nature worshipper and had belief in witchcraftship and spirits. But in due course, they embraced Buddhism as Nepalese, and their social and community relationship also bounded Nepalese. Around 50,000 members of the Lepcha tribe live in the tiny Indian state of Sikkim, which lies in the heart of the Himalayas between Nepal and Bhutan and Tibet. Although many have converted to Buddhism and Christianity, they still follow some of their traditional rituals. The Lepcha community in the state of Sikkim pray every year to the world's third highest mountain, Kanchenjunga. The third highest peak in the world, the majestic mountain Kanchenjunga, stands at 28,169 feet, and it is a sacred spot for the Lepcha and Bhotia peoples of Sikkim. The traditional clothing for Lepcha women is the ankle-length dumbon, also called domjam or gada. It is a female dress. It is one large piece of smooth cotton or silk, usually of a solid color. When it is worn, it is folded over one shoulder, pinned at the other shoulder, and held in place by a waistband or tago, over which exists material drapes. A contrasting long-sleeved blouse may be worn underneath. The traditional Lepcha clothing for men is the dumpra. It is a male dress. It is a multicolored, hand-woven cloth pinned at one shoulder and held in place by a waistband, usually worn over a white t-shirt and trousers. Men wear a flat round cap called a chaktok, with stiff black velvet sides and a multicolored top by a knot. Rarely, the traditional cone-shaped, bamboo, and rattan hats are worn. The Lepcha have their own language, also called Lepcha. It belongs to the Buddhist Himalayish group of Tibeto-Burman languages. The Lepcha write their language in their own script called Rong, which is derived from the Tibetan script. It was developed between the 17th and 18th centuries. The world's largest collection of old Lepcha manuscript is found with the Himalayan Languages Project and Leiden, Netherlands, with over 180 Lepcha books. In the tribe of Lepcha in India, in humans, just like other sexually reproducing species, sexual behavior is governed in many respects. After all, no society can survive without successful reproduction, but societies vary considerably in the degree to which they encourage, discourage, or even appear to fear sex at different life stages and varying circumstances. And societies vary widely in their tolerance for non-reproductive sex. It appears that culture influences much of human sexual behavior.